What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the accordion element of WPBakery page builder. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with your login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a page just like this one. It may change according to the theme and plugins you are using, but the look and feel, it's always this one. After, make sure that you have WPBakery plugin installed on your site. In the case that you don't have this plugin, let me know into the comments so I can guide you. After this, go to your page. You can go to a previously made page and edit the page, or click on Add Page. Click into the button WPBakery Page Builder, this blue button into the top section of your page. Wait while the page loads, and right here we're going to be able to edit into the front end so you can see the live website, or you can go to the back end. Click on WordPress theme, click on add element, and right here we're going to be able to see accordion element. Here is the look and feel, and what you can do right here. You can click on the plus button and enter anything that you want. For example, an icon and or a text block, just like this. And inside of the text block, you can hover a mouse over the element, click into the pencil icon, and edit to enter your links, then change colors, enter image in the case that you want. Same for section 2. In the case that you click on another section, you can create a new section, just like this, and enter another content. If you hover your mouse over these yellow options, you're going to be able to see a plus button to add more content to the section. For example, this section is going to have an icon. And if you click into this edit icon, you're going to be able to change the section title. You can add icon to the section in the case that you want, just like this. Let me show you the preview. And here are the results. Nice, right? Let me apply icon to the section 2. You can change the icon styles. There is a couple of styles to play with. And you can make the icon appear before the title or after the title, okay? Let me go to the first section. Click on edit, add a new icon. Now, if you hover your mouse over this blue section right here on accordion, you're going to be able to change the full element. For example, style. You can change for modern style. The border can be squares. You can change inactive color, active color. You can fill the content. You can change the title tag, the alignment, spacings. You can enter icons in the case that you want. Autoplay. Let me save it. And here is the results we got. Nice, right? Now imagine that you would like to see the results immediately. Just click on Front End Editor. I just recommend that you publish the page or save the page to not lose it while loading. And here you can see the result immediately. For example, let's add a new section. Let me edit the section. Here is my section. Let me apply some content. And here is the results. Nice, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember to hit the publish button into the upper right corner of your screen to save your change, and you are good to go. All the best!